Hi, in front of me is WIKO View Go, and today I would like to show you where you can find all your downloads on this device. First of all, go into menu. Now find App Files and click on it. Then tap at the top left corner over here and select Downloads. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. But you can also go back, click at the top left corner over here again and select one of these sections: images, videos, audio or recent. For example, if you want to see all images that you downloaded, you can click on images, tap on download folder, and as you can see, mine are over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!